Did you know that you can build a raised garden bed for under $25? With spring right around the corner, I know everyone's excited to grow their own food. I've had a lot of requests lately for how I built these raised garden beds, so I'm going to talk you through the process. I've also written an entire blog post for your reference with the cut list and everything you need to know. These beds are 6 feet by 19 inches. They are easily customizable to any size that you want. Just adjust accordingly. I'll show you a picture of some bigger ones that I made at the end. This wood is cedar fence picket from Lowe's. You're probably going to find this in the garden section. I chose to use untreated wood. Cedar is a natural deterrent for bugs, and I didn't really want chemicals in the food that I grow. First, I cut down my pickets according to the cut list to make the sides of the box, and then I ripped down a couple of the pickets to use as the corner and middle supports. I'm using 1-inch wood screws to screw everything together. Using a square will help you get everything lined up. I built each wall separately, leaving a little bit of an overhang with the corner supports so that there's room to screw everything together and it's squared off. It will fit together like a puzzle. If you decide to use wood glue, make sure you get something that is for outdoor use. This specific design does not have a bottom because it's going right on the ground. I've made lots of these with the bottom using 2x4s and extra cedar, and even added wheels so that they could be rolled around. The last step is to add optional trim around the top. I just line it with garden cloth before I plant in it. Here's my cut list, and everything is listed on my blog if you want to check it out. So here's the box you just saw me build. And here's one a little bit bigger and a set of 3. Bye!